And so I'll walk you through exactly what I do to change these out. Go ahead and take your Phillips screwdriver and begin to spin it out. Here's where I go ahead and take the pick, put it on the side that has the screw, and just begin to push it out just like that. And you can go ahead and pull the whole unit out. Once it's out, you go ahead and twist, and you can see the bulb right there. Pull the bulb out. Sometimes these ones do not light the first time, so you flip them the other direction, and that's how they light up. And then there are 4 different inserts right here. There is one that's just a touch bigger than all the other ones. So when you put it back into the housing, you do have to line that up properly. Turn to the right, then go ahead and set it in. And remember, the screw is on this side. Go ahead and take that Phillips screw and tighten it back down.